Welcome to CyberTheo. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to use the Calm app for meditation. Whether you're new to meditation or looking to deepen your practice, Calm is an excellent tool to help you relax and find peace. Download and install the app. Available on both the App Store and Google Play, download the Calm app and create a free account to get started. Explore the Calm home screen. The app opens to the home screen, which features a calming background and various categories like sleep stories, meditations, and music. Choose a meditation session. Tap on the Meditation tab at the bottom. You'll see different themes like stress, focus, anxiety, and gratitude. Select a session based on what you need at the moment. Customize your session. Some meditations allow you to choose the duration. Calm offers sessions ranging from 3 minutes to over 30 minutes. Pick the length that fits your schedule. Follow the guided meditation. Once you start, the app will guide you through the meditation. Relax, follow the voice prompts, and immerse yourself in the experience. Track your progress. Calm lets you track your meditation streaks and total time spent meditating. This feature can help you stay motivated. Explore other features. In addition to meditation, check out sleep stories for better sleep, calming music to help you focus, and breathing exercises to manage stress. That's it for today's tutorial on using the Calm app for meditation. Make sure to try different sessions to find what works best for you. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.